It's Kamasha Yonkers, and I want to share a little bit about my eyesight and why receiving these contact lenses means so much to me. I have keratoconus, and without my contact lenses, I'm legally blind. For a lot of people, they don't realize how much this affects my everyday life. For me, when I wake up in the morning, the first thing I realize is without my contact lenses, I cannot see. Everything is blurry, and simple things like reading, recognizing faces, watching TV, or being on my phone becomes really difficult. My contact lenses are something that I wear because I want to. There's something that I genuinely need. They give me the ability to live my life normally like everybody else. They help me be independent and give me confidence, which people and let me do things which people don't have to think twice about. Being 18, I have goals and I want to study further, build a career, and enjoy my life like everybody else. But without my contact lenses, those everyday things become harder. That's why this opportunity would make such a big difference to me. The cost of replacing contact lenses can be very overwhelming, so being chosen would take away a huge weight off my shoulder. It would mean that I could continue seeing clearly and living my life without having to worry about how I'm going to afford something I depend on every day. Thank you for listening to my story and for considering my application. I truly appreciate this opportunity and I really hope that you will consider choosing me. Thank you so much.